Hello, yellow puppies. How are you today? I hope you're doing fine. Okay, yellow puppies, what's the first thing we're going to do? Are we ready? 1, 2, 3. Hello, everyone. Tra-la-la-la-la. Hello, everyone. Tra-la-la-la-la-la. Hello, everyone. Tra-la-la-la-la. Hello, everyone. Boom. Very good, yellow puppies. Now, what's next? Yes, now we're going to see what the weather is like. Very good. Everybody, open your eyes and look out the window and tell me, is today a sunny day, a rainy day, or is today a cloudy day? Very good. And the last thing we're going to do in our routine is, yes, we're going to say what day is today. Now, I'm going to give you a hint. Listen. Today is, whoa, today. Were you able to guess? Yes, yellow puppies, today is Friday. Today is Friday, whoa. Today is Friday, whoa. Today is Friday, whoa. Very good. Now, for today, we're going to work with colors, remember? Now, we have to go somewhere else because we're going to do some magic. Come on, ready? 1, 2, 3. Hello, yellow puppies. How are you today? Guess what? Today we're going to do magic. Are you ready? I need some help from my yellow puppies. Let's see. Look what I have over here. This is my magic wand. Now, do you see what I have over here? These are glasses with water. Yes, we're not going to drink this water. We're going to use it to make magic. Now, can you help me count how many glasses with water? Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yellow puppies, are we ready to start? I am going to turn the water in all of these glasses into different colors. Now, are we ready? Ready for the first one? Let's see. Yellow puppies, what color is this? What color is this? It's red. Very good. Let's see the next one. Let's see. Abracadabra, abracadabra. Yellow puppies, what color is this? It's orange. Very good. Shall we go with the next one? Let's see. Boom, 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 boom. Let's see. What color do we see? What color do we see? Abracadabra. And it's yellow. Very good, yellow puppies. Very good. Now, the next one is abracadabra, abracadabra. Wow, yellow puppies. What color is it? Yes, it's green. So we have red, orange, yellow, green. What color do you think comes next? Let's see, let's see. Abracadabra, abracadabra, abracadabra. What color is it, yellow puppies? It's blue. Very good. It's blue. Wow, we're making a rainbow, yellow puppies. Let's see what comes next. Whoop. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Abracadabra. Can you help me, yellow puppies? Abracadabra. Abracadabra. 1, 2, 3. Wow. What color is that, yellow puppies? Yes, it's pink. We have 2 more left. I wonder what colors they are. Are we ready for the next one? Abracadabra. 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 Wow, this one is going very fast. Look at that, yellow puppies. What color is it? It's violet. Are you ready for the last one? Let's see. Whoop. Abracadabra. 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 Wow. What color is that, yellow puppies? It's black. Very good. Wow, we have, help me out, yellow puppies. We have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, pink, violet, and black. Wow, yellow puppies, did you like it? Now, shall we see it very, very quickly one more time? Come on. Yellow puppies. I like all of these colors. It looks like a rainbow. Did you have fun today, yellow puppies? Oh, I love doing this. Wow. Now, are Are we ready to say goodbye? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Goodbye, 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 friends. Goodbye, 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 friends. It's time to say goodbye. But first, walk, walk, walk. Jump, jump, jump. Run, run, run. Stop. Hop, hop, hop. Swim, swim, swim. Dance, dance, dance. Stop. Goodbye, 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 friends.